I want to provide a review of this Caregiver page button. I was provided by the brand in exchange for an honest review, but if you've ever taken care of someone, you know how integral this is to their care and your peace of mind. Whether you have cared for an elderly parent, a child at times when they're, bedridden for illness or injury or whatever the case may be, or even nurses who provide in-home care, these are great. So I do just want to show you the key pieces of the whole system. This is the receiver. So it just plugs into your wall, and you want to plug this in somewhere close to your Wi-Fi router. It also comes with a wrist button. I love this because it is really easy to wear, comfortable. It's a fairly thin strap and it's pretty lightweight. So this is waterproof, and then the button is right here. When the battery is low on this, it does have an indicator, and then you just flip it over and remove the battery compartment back here and replace it. And then it comes with 2 call buttons and a lanyard. So let me show you how simple it is to set up and ultimately use. So the instructions actually have a QR code that you scan, and you simply download the app from that. From there, you will add the device by connecting it to both Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi. And it walked me through all of this. It was really quite simple to get it connected to Wi-Fi. I had no issues at all. And then once that main unit is added, that's the one that plugs into the wall, the receiver, then you can add the different call buttons. And those were really easy to add too. It will tell you to press the button on it. So I simply pressed the call button and it set it up. So you can see here that one of the call buttons was added, and I followed the same procedure to add the other call button as well as the watch. There are also several things that you can customize on each unit, including the ring duration. Within that setting, you can also edit the transmitter name. So I simply hit that edit button, and then I named one of them call button. I named the second one watch, and then that third one, I put call button bathroom. That way, when it rings through, you know exactly where that signal is coming from and where the person is located when they pushed for help. So when the call button is pressed, this chime goes off and I get an alert on my phone. So I highly recommend it. It is great having the peace of mind that you will get a notification wherever you are, wherever your loved one is. You can help them and provide care. You don't have to worry about missing something or them falling or needing something and you not knowing. I highly recommend these.